Kain tayo guys. This is my lunch. 4 o'clock na, magla-lunch pa lang ako kasi kalalabas ko lang ng church ng 1:30 at start. Tapos katatapos lang. Ngayon pa lang ako magla-lunch, late lunch. Ayan. Gusto akong saluhan, oh. Gusto kong makikain sa akin. Gusto mo, you want to eat? Birdie, want eat? You want eat fish? Do you want eat fish, bird? Come on, let's eat. Gusto akong saluhan ng bird.